A trip to the grocery store. This morning, I made a list of things I needed to buy at the grocery store. I usually make a list so I don't forget anything. After breakfast, I grabbed my reusable shopping bags and headed out to the store. I always prefer to walk to the store because it's not far from my house, and I like to get some exercise. When I arrived, I saw that the store was quite busy. There were people standing in line at the checkout and others looking through the shelves. I grabbed a shopping cart and started off by going to the vegetable section. I needed some tomatoes, onions, and lettuce for a salad. As I looked around, I saw that the tomatoes were on sale, so I decided to pick up a few extra. Next, I went to the dairy section to get milk, cheese, and yogurt. I always check the expiration dates to make sure the products are fresh. I also needed some eggs, so I grabbed a carton and placed it in my cart. Then, I went to the meat section to buy chicken for dinner. I wanted to choose a few pieces of chicken breasts, so I looked for the best ones. After that, I headed to the bread aisle to pick up some whole grain bread. The store had just put out fresh loaves, so I picked up one and put it in my cart. I also wanted to buy some snacks, so I went to the snack aisle and grabbed a bag of chips and some chocolate. I don't buy snacks often, but I felt like having something to eat while watching a movie later. I was almost done with my shopping when I realized that I had forgotten to buy some cleaning supplies. I turned around and went to the cleaning aisle to pick up detergent, soap, and paper towels. I also needed to stock up on toilet paper, so I grabbed a big pack and put it in my cart. As I was walking to the checkout, I saw a friend of mine, Jane. We hadn't seen each other in a while, so we decided to catch up. We talked about our work, our families, and our plans for the weekend. After a few minutes, we said goodbye, and I got in line to pay for my groceries. The cashier scanned all of my items, and I paid with my credit card. I also had a coupon for 10% off, so the total was a little less than I expected. I bagged my groceries, thanked the cashier, and left the store. As I was walking home, I started thinking about what I would cook for dinner. I had chicken and vegetables, so I decided to make a stir-fry. When I got home, I unpacked my groceries and put everything in its place. I put away the cold items in the fridge, and the rest went into the pantry. I was hungry, so I quickly started preparing dinner. I chopped up the vegetables, cooked the chicken, and then stir-fried everything together in a big pan. It turned out really tasty, and I was happy with my meal. After dinner, I cleaned up the kitchen and washed the dishes. Then, I sat down on the couch to relax and watch a movie. It had been a busy day, but I was satisfied with everything I had accomplished. Key phrasal verbs and their meanings. Now repeat after me. Make a list. To write down the things you need to buy or do. Head out. To leave a place and start going somewhere. Walk to. To go to a place by walking. Get some exercise. To do physical activity to keep your body healthy. Standing in line. Waiting for your turn in a queue. Looking through. Examining or searching for something on a shelf or in a place. Start off. To begin doing something or to begin moving in a direction. Look around. To observe your surroundings and check things out. Pick up. To take something and place it in your cart or bag. Check the expiration dates. To verify the date when a product will no longer be good to use. Grab a carton. To take a box of items, like eggs, milk, etc. Choose. To decide on something from different options. Look for. To search for something. Put out. To place items in a visible spot, often for sale. Grab a bag of chips. To take a bag of chips, snack. Stock up on. To buy a lot of something for future use. Put it in. To place something inside a bag or container. Turn around. To change direction and go the opposite way. Catch up. To talk with someone and update each other on recent events. Talk about. To discuss a topic or share information with someone. Get in line. To join a queue and wait your turn. Scan. To read or register items using a barcode scanner at a store. Pay with. To give money in exchange for goods or services. Back. To put things into bags after shopping. Leave the store. To exit a store after completing your shopping. Unpack. To take items out of bags or boxes. Put away. To place items in their proper location. Start preparing. To begin making food or getting ready for an activity. Chop up. To cut something into small pieces, usually food. Cook. To prepare food by applying heat. Stir fry. A cooking method where food is fried quickly in a pan with a little oil while being stirred. Clean up. To tidy a place by removing mess or dirt. Wash the dishes. To clean plates, cups, and utensils after eating. Sit down. To take a seat and relax. Watch a movie. To view a film for entertainment. Want to learn English but don't know where to start? Join our English learning community. We explain difficult topics in simple terms. Practice speaking English without fear of mistakes. Support, motivation, and communication with like-minded people. Start speaking English today. Subscribe and learn with us.